So what's up guys, Darren here from Darren On Demand. As I posted up earlier, my Canon EOS M50 arrived today. And so I'm now going to do this video of unboxing, putting it together. Obviously I will be doing a full review on it later on, maybe not today, over the next couple of days, because I'm actually going to do some videos and some photography with it just to actually get used to it and actually see what it's like. Can't really do a review until I've tried it out myself anyway. So yeah, on with the unboxing. So I've waited over 6 weeks for this. I ordered it before we went into lockdown. So yeah, so obviously the manual, which I never read, power adapter, official Canon strap. I'll probably use my big one rather than this. So you only get one battery with this, but I have already ordered and received 2 batteries and a double charger, so that's good, because I have heard that the actual batteries are not hugely amazing on this, so I thought, well, at least if I've got 3. So the actual lens that comes with this camera is the 15 to 45, which with image stabilization as well, so that should be awesome for my vlogging. That's mainly what I'm actually going to be using this camera for, is vlogging and doing my YouTube channel. So so yeah, what I'm filming on now is a Canon 550D, which I've had for, blimey, I've had for years, and only really recently been using it. So this is the bad boy. So the actual camera itself, look at that, look at that, flip out screen, twist screen, so I can actually film and see what's actually going on. This is amazing, perfect. So small compared to my other camera. So let's just put that there for a minute. So power adapter, and then obviously this will be the charging station. Yeah. So that's that. Let's just put all this in here, and then I'll just put the actual lens on. Get rid of that. So where I'm actually in at the minute is where I'm actually going to be doing my t-shirt printing. I have set up here my heat press station, which is a double station, so that'll be another video anyway. So anyway, let's. So people who don't know what the Canon M50 is, it is actually a mirrorless. It's actually a mirrorless camera, which is great. So look at that. And the great thing about this camera, it is actually it is 4K. So that's a blessing. Let's see if there's any juice in this bad boy. Probably not. Oh yeah. Cool. So that's that set up. I'm going to have a play with it, have a see how it actually looks. So yeah, the review will be coming soon. So the other thing that I actually got, which I got actually before the camera, is this Viltrox, I think that's how they pronounce it, Viltrox adapter, which allows me to actually use my other Canon lenses on there. So fingers crossed that I'll be able to obviously put this on. So let's just take that one off for a minute. Put this one on. So that's the adapter is now on. And this is my one of my old lenses, which is the 50mm fixed lens. So I don't know, I'm hoping that this will, and it does, look there. So now I actually have then a fixed 50mm lens. Obviously the one that comes with the camera is the 15 to 45. I have the 50mm. I also have a 70 to 30, and then the one that I'm actually filming on now with this camera is at 18 to 200. So that's going to give me a wide scope of photography needs. So perfect, couldn't be happier. So guys, if you did like this video, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and also click that notification bell so you can be informed of any new videos that I post here on my channel, just like the one that you're watching now. But until the next time guys, I'll see you on the flip side. Peace!